What's wrong?
Oh crap!
So this set has a paddle board and the rotator arms and the rings all the way around and the trapeze bar on a rotator arm. But you can put whatever you want on this frame. You can put ninja holds like these. There's 2 positions for traditional swings over both ends of the paddle board. They can swing over the paddleboard, or the paddleboard can be pulled to one end for a full height swing. When the swings aren't being used, they can be draped over the legs out of the way. Or how about an LED swing seat? Or you can put up several ninja cargo bags like this one here. Or a climbing cargo net, or a climbing wall. Across the legs, it'll be somewhat inverted up to the top. The frame is so strong and solid that you can add any ninja components, or even a slide, or pretty much whatever you want. I made my beams from 3 2x6 boards. One reason is that nowadays 4x6 beams can be really hard to find. And secondly, I have much better options of wood and can pick better wood, nicer looking wood for this. And also the beam won't twist or split as a regular 4x6 can. When you look here at the ends of the boards, you can see that the different grains of these different boards cancel each other out so that the beam won't twist. I use these Eclipse swing brackets because they'll work with any size beam, including beams I make myself, and in fact the legs themselves could be made from 2x4s if I can't find suitable 4x4s. But then the way they attach onto the lumber, you'll get a set that's really solid and won't wobble at all. Plus these brackets come straight down at a 90-degree angle from the beam, whereas most other brackets splay out to the sides, which won't really work for this application. But look here, when I use all my strength to try and shake the set, you'll see that the gymnastics rings don't even move. And that's something you really want when you have a crazy set like this with a heavy paddle board on it and gymnastics rings all the way around and rotator bars. By comparison, with the typical bracket design that has been around for years, you don't get a tight fit. The legs and the beam are free to move around inside the enclosure. Even after you put in the lag screws that the brackets come with, the legs will still wobble around. And that's going to do it for part 1 of this video. Please see part 2 for the rest. If you have any questions, just send them to me in a YouTube comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see my next projects. And please like my video if you liked it.